Good morning children. In today's class we are going to solve chapter 10 exercise 10.2 page number 225. In previous class we solved exercise 10.1. So today is 10.2. Let's see first problem. A closed cylindrical tank of height 1.4 meter and radius of the base is 56 centimeter is made up of a thick metal sheet. How much metal sheet is required? Express in square meter. See children, here height he has given in meter and radius he has given in centimeter. Both units are not same. We should make it same, either both in centimeter or both in meter. But he mentioned express in square meter. That means he mentioned we should express in meter. So this centimeter we need to convert into meter only. So he is talking about cylinder whose height he has given 1.4 meter and radius, base radius means, see children, this is center to this point is nothing but radius r. Radius he has given 56 centimeter. To convert centimeter into meter we need to divide by 100. That's why I am dividing by 100. So 56 by 100 meter. Two zeros are there in denominator. That means digit point will come from right side after two numbers. Clear? 0.56. 56 by 100 becomes 0.56 meter. Now he's talking about how much metal sheet is required. When we are talking about metal sheet, that means we need to find the area. Area of the metal sheet required for tank. That is nothing but total surface area of cylinder. Why we are finding total surface, children? He is talking about tank. So if this is the cylinder at which is in tank, this is tank which is in cylindrical shape. So base and top should be there to cover it. Correct children? That's why we are finding total surface area of cylinder. The formula is 2 pi r into r plus h. That is equal to 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into r is what children here? 0.56 meter. So 0.56 into r plus h. Again r is 0.56 plus h is 1.4. Clear children? Area we measure in square meter. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.56 into add, we need to add these two. When we add these two, how much it will be? 0.56. See, you can do here 0.56 plus 1.4. One more digit we need. So 0 only you can keep. 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 4 is 9. 0 plus 1 is 1. So 1.96 square meter. This here we are cancelling the terms. 717, 0 point as it is. 7 8 56. Both numbers at a time we can't take, so first we need to keep 0, then we can say 7 8 56. Are you getting my point children? See here, when we are dividing 0.56 by 7, 7 0 0, remainder is 0 only, point we are shifting here. Take this 5, we can't divide, so 7 0 0, 5 is remainder, take this 6. 7 8 56. So answer is 0.08. Clear children? So 2 into 22 into 0.08 into 1.56 square meter. Now this all numbers we need to multiply. When we multiply we will get 6.8999 square meter. Up to 3 digits it is enough children. Clear? Now we can round up this figure to after second digit or third digit. If it is 5 or more than 5, we can cut that number and add 1 before the number. Here I am taking up to 2 digit only. It is more than 5 only. I am cutting this number and adding 1 in 8. That 8 become 9. So 6.9 square meter. Clear children? So 6.9 square meter metal sheet is required for a closed cylindrical tank. Now let's see one more problem. The volume of a cylinder is 308 cubic centimeter. Its height is 8 centimeter. Find its lateral surface area and total surface area. He has given volume and height children. With that he is asking to find total surface and lateral surface. To find that, first of all we need radius. So by the given information we need to find the radius. Let's see. Volume of the cylinder he has given 308 cubic centimeter. Volume of cylinder formula we have pi r square h. So both will be equal. That only we are writing. And height he mentioned 8 centimeter. Substitute in the given one. Pi is nothing but 22 by 7. R we don't know. So as it is we are writing r square. Into h he has given 8 centimeter. That is equal to 308 cubic centimeter. This 22 by 7 and 8 if we send that side, division become multiplication and multiplication will be division. So r square equal to 308 into 22 by 7 becomes 7 by 22 into 8. Clear children? Now we need to cancel the term. 2 ones 2, 2 ones 2. 2 ones 2, remainder is 1, 2 5s 10, 2 fours 8. Clear children? 11 ones 11, 11 ones 11, remainder is 4, 11 fours 44. Now 2 fours 8, 2 sevens 14. Clear children? So remaining things are 7 into 7 by 4. This 4 can we write 2 into 2? That only I am writing. 4 is nothing but 2 into 2, that we can write it as 2 square. So I am writing 7 into 7, 7 square, 4 I am writing 2 square. See, here also left side also power is same, right side also power is same, both are square only. So when powers are same, bases we can take it as equal. Therefore I am taking r equal to 7 by 2. 7 by 2 if we divide, you will get, see, 2 3s 6, remainder is 1, keep point and take 0, 2 5s 10, remainder is 0. So you got radius as 3.5 centimeter. Now he is asking lateral surface area, that is nothing but curved surface area only. We can say lateral or curve. Formula is 2 pi RH. Here we need to substitute the value. 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into r we got just now 3.5 into h he has given 8. Area we measure in centimeter square. So we need to multiply here. 3.5 we can write it as 7 by 2 also. Just now we saw, I am writing here 7 by 2 because easily we can cancel this numerator and denominator 7. 7 1 7, that's why I am writing this. 2 ones 2, 2 ones 2. Remaining things are 22 into 8. 22 into 8 is nothing but 176 square centimeter. Clear children? Lateral surface area. Now we need to find total surface area. Total surface area formula is 2 pi r into r plus h. Here we are substituting the value. Here 2 is as 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into r, we can write 3.5 or 7 by 2. Here 7 is there in denominator, that's why I am taking 7 by 2. Easily we can cancel the term. Clear? Then r here I am taking 3.5. It will be easy to add it. If we take fraction, then we need to take LCM and all such things. That's why easily, for our easiness, I am writing 3.5 plus 8. 3.5 plus 8 is 11.5. See, 8 point is not there means 0.0, then 3.5. 0 plus 5, 5, 8 plus 3, 11 point is there after one digit from right side. 7 1 7, 7 1 7, 2 ones 2, 2 ones 2. So 22 into 11.5 centimeter square. If you multiply both numbers, you will get 253.0 centimeter square. After point, if there is a 0, there is no value of that 0. That's why I am writing only 253 centimeter square. Clear children? Let's see one more problem. A metal cuboid of dimension 22 centimeter into 15 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter was melted and cast into a cylinder of height 14 centimeter. What is its radius? Remember children, when we are melting one object and converting into another objects, their volume will be equal. Because if we are talking about one cuboid and we are talking about one cylinder, see, both area will not be equal, both quantity will be equal after melting. Am I clear children? Always remember, when one object melt and form another object, that means both objects volume will be equal. That only we are writing here. He is talking about cuboid and cylinder. So volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cuboid. Volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h and volume of cuboid formula is LBH. So pi is 22 by 7 into r square, we don't know because he asked to find that only, into h he has given 14 centimeter, that is equal to, already LBH he has given as 22 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 7.5 centimeter. That only we are writing. Clear children? Now 22 by 7, 7 1 7, 7 2s 14 we can cancel. So 22 into r square into 2, that is equal to 22 into 15 into this 7.5 I can write, we can write 75 by 10. After point one digit means we should divide by 10. Clear children? So this 22 and 2 send another side, that will come under division. So r square equal to 22 into 15 into 75 by 10 as it is, into this will come under division. So 22 into 2 into 10. Clear children? And 10 also in denominator. So this 22 and 2 also will come under denominator only. So 22 ones we can cancel. 5 2s 10, 5 3 is 15. Otherwise you can cancel in this way also. If we don't want to cancel, 5 2s 10, 5 1s 5, remainder is 2, 5 5s 25. So what are the things here remaining? 15 into 15 by 2 into this 2 into this 2. Clear children? So r square equal to 15 into 50 by 2 into 2. So 15 square and 2 square I can write. Here again powers are equal. So bases will be equal. So radius equal to 15 by 2. That you can write. If you divide, you will get 7.5 centimeter. Am I clear, children? Radius of the cylinder is 7.5 centimeter. Let's see one more problem. An overhead water tanker is in the shape of a cylinder, has capacity of 616 liters. When he is talking about capacity, children, capacity is nothing but volume. Are you getting my point, children? Quantity we can say. Quantity is nothing but volume. The diameter of the tank is 5.6 meter. Find the height of the tank. He mentioned tank is in the form of cylinder, and he has given capacity of tanker. That is nothing but capacity of tanker is nothing but volume of cylinder. So volume of cylinder formula is what, children? Pi r square h. This pi r square h and 616 liter both will be equal, children. Now we need to do. But he mentioned diameter. With diameter we need to find the radius. Diameter he mentioned 5.6 meter. Diameter by 2 if we do, we will get the radius. Clear, children? 5.6 I am writing as 56 by 10. Clear? Point I am removing. So r equal to d by 2. That is nothing but 56 by 10 whole divided by these 2. Both denominators we will multiply. Always remember, children, denominator and denominator we will multiply. So r equal to 56 by 10 into 2. Clear? 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4, remainder is 1, 2 8 16, 2 5s 10, 2 ones 2, 2 fours 8. So remaining thing is 14 by 5. Radius is 14 by 5 meter. Now we need to convert. We need to substitute, not convert. We need to substitute. Pi r square h is equal to 616. So pi value is 22 by 7 into r we got 14 by 5. Here r square means 2 times we need to multiply. 14 by 5 into 14 by 5 into h equal to 616. Clear, children? H you keep this side only. Remaining all things we have to send another side. So h is equal to 616 into this 22 by 7 becomes 7 by 22, 14 by 5 become 5 by 14, again 14 by 5 is 5 by 14. Clear, children? Meter. Now we need to cancel the term. 7 1 7, 7 2s 14. Clear? 2 1s 2, 2 3 6. So 1 we can't take. So directly 2 numbers if we want to take, we should keep 0, then only we can take. So 2 8 16. Clear, children? Again 2 1s 2, 2 1s 2. 2 1s 2, remainder is 1, 2 5s 10, 2 4s 8. Are you getting my point, children? So 11 1s 11 and 11 7s 14, remainder is 1, again 11 7s 14. So we got 77. So then again 7 2s 14, 7 11s, yes, 7 1 7, 7 1 7. So remaining things are 11, no, something is going wrong here. Let's see again. 6 16 into 7 by 22 into 5 by 14 into 5 by 14 we are doing. So 2 1s 2, 2 1s 2, 2 3s 6, take 0 and take at a time 16, 2 8 16, correct? 11 1s 11, 11 2s 22, remainder is 8, so that become 88, 11 8s 88, correct, children? 14 1s 14, 14 4s 28, correct? Sorry, 14 2s 28, correct, children? I'm thinking about 7, 14 2s 28, correct? And remaining things are 2 1s 2, 2 7s 14, 7 1 7, 7 1 7. So remaining things are 5 into 5. 5 5s 25. So height we got it as 25 meters. So height of the tank is 25 meter. Clear, children? Here don't confuse. In rough column clearly you solve, you will get. Because so many numbers are there, again and again we are getting confusion. So your homework is chapter 10, page number 222 and 223, examples 1, 2 and 3. You need to solve. Clear, children?